If you can't download apps from the Microsoft Store, here are the fixes. First, we will reset the Microsoft Store cache. To do that, press Windows plus R keys, then type wsreset.exe and hit Enter. The reset will take a few seconds, and once it's complete, check whether Microsoft Store works. Now, it's time for a few quick checks. First, open the system settings, go to Time and Language, then into Date and Time, and make sure both the time and region are set correctly. If not, fix that. Next, if you are using a VPN, disable it. You don't need to uninstall it, just turn it off while using the Microsoft Store, or if you are not using a VPN, try one. Sometimes using a VPN has helped users bypass Microsoft Store issues. You can try a free one like Proton VPN. Third, disable any third-party antivirus software, such as Bitdefender. These often block Microsoft Store downloads. Don't worry, when you disable the antivirus, Windows Security, the built-in security solution, automatically kicks in. Let's now run the AppX Deployment service. It's vital to the Microsoft Store's functioning. To run it, open Search, type Services, and then launch the utility. In here, locate the AppX Deployment service entry, right-click on it, and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, and if the service is not already running, click the Start button. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now, check whether you can install apps from the MS Store. If nothing has worked so far, it's time to re-register the Microsoft Store. To do that, press Windows plus R keys, type PowerShell, and hit Control plus Shift plus Enter. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Now paste the following command and hit Enter. I have added the command to the video's description. After running it, restart the PC and check whether you can download apps from the Microsoft Store. Next, we will reset the network settings as any misconfiguration here can cause issues with the Microsoft Store. To do that, open up the system settings, go to Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. In here, click the Reset Now button and then confirm the change. After the reset, the Microsoft Store should most likely work. If not, the next solution will do the trick. The next solution is to perform an in-place upgrade. It's similar to reinstalling Windows, but your personal files and apps stay intact. For this, you'll need to download the Windows ISO from Microsoft's official website. The entire process can take a few hours, so make sure you have enough time and a stable internet connection. We already have a dedicated video on how to perform an in-place upgrade. It should appear near the top right corner. If you don't see the tutorial, click the I icon. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.